you take a 1x1, put it right there, and then you take a 1x6, put it on. I'm using like those 1 blocks, like I told you I would be using a lot of those. Oh no, did I lose one? Oh, here it is. I left it over here. See, now it looks like, now yours should look like this. You don't have to use the same color. I am so sorry for the bad quality. This is terrible. Okay, you take a 1x8 block, put it right there. Make sure you don't put it on the edges where you can be using that. You take a 1x6 block, put it right there. Keep making it higher. Then you take a 1x8. I'm just using just littler blocks. I'm just saying 1x8 because it would be easier. Then you have these 2 last bricks right there. So we're gonna, you want to attach a 1x4, it doesn't matter what color it is, with 4 of those things on, and stick it on. Hold on, I'm gonna put on these things. Okay, it should look like that. And then that's going to be the money slot. I don't have a cover for yet, so actually I do, but it's up in my room and I don't feel like going to get it. So you can just make it up by yourself. Now you take a 1x8, do the same thing what you did last time right there. Yeah, it's just you just fill up the whole top row again, like fill up 1 more row of bricks. Yeah. Oops. Dropped it in there. Okay, here comes the roof. So you take 2 of these. I don't know what these are, and you put them on beside each other, like that. And you take 2 of these, put them on the ends on the other side. It should look like that so far. Then take 2 1x8s. I'm going to take it apart to make it easier for you guys. 2 1x8s. Put them like that. Then you take a 1x4. Stick it on both of them. Leave 1 stud away from it, like that. And this is, you take one of those things, that connect to these, that gray thing, that black thing connect to the gray thing, you need those, and then attach it to this 2x4 flat piece. And then you connect it to that, put it right here. And then just the gumball slot where you put it in. Take a coin. There's your gumball. Sometimes you get stuff, but then there's your money. So, yeah. Alright.